The era of modern technology. It is called digital era. In everywhere, business concern, talented work, innovative work, creative work, and everywhere, it is use of advanced technology. That means high-level computer, software is used here. Precise instrument is used here. Here the intelligence used, it should be excellence. This intelligence is the significator of Mercury. So Mercury should be very strong in the birth chart to gain huge amount of money or wealth in modern competitive market, in business, in talented work, creative work, whatever may be that. So Mercury should be very strong in birth chart. Now the sophisticated instruments, high-level computer, all are costly, all are taking so much capital in his business. So capital is very important. Natives should have capital in these modern times to compete his business, compete his talent, show the symbol of beauty, symbol of luxury, symbol of wealth, symbol of capital. Venus should be very strong in the birth chart. Now the use of different kind of high-level instrument and intelligence. Here is the know-how, modern know-how, advanced know-how is needed. This is the knowledge. This is the wisdom. How to use to flourish the business. How to gain talented work. How to accelerate the creative work. In this field, this is the blessing of divine. This is Jupiter. Jupiter should be also strong. So 3 planets. For intelligence, it is Mercury. For sophisticated beauty and wealth, it is Venus. And for knowledge, wisdom, know-how, it is the Jupiter. That 3 planets should be strong in the birth chart or D9 chart or Chandra Kundali. Now, along with that, the primary condition is that ascendant lord should be very strong in the birth chart and its placement. Ascendant lord should be exalted in the birth chart, own sign or in friend sign, together with moon also. This is the primary conditions. 5th house is the house of talent. 5th house positive planet, 5th house lordship, again very important. 9th house the luck, the fortune. 9th house lord also take important role for flourishment in any kind of work. That may be business, talented work or creative work. And 11th house, the house of gain. After all, the accumulation of money goes to 2nd house. 2nd house your bank balance. So 2nd house lordship and 2nd house positive planet should be strong. Then and only the native would get huge amount of wealth or massive money in his business, talented work or creative work. The chart of Elon Musk, world richest person, date of birth 28 June 1971, time of birth 12 am midnight, place of birth Pretoria, South Africa. This is the birth chart of famous businessman and richest person of the world, Elon Musk. Here ascendant is Pisces and zodiac is Leo. In this birth chart, what happens? Ketu, the 5th house, Ketu is posited. Ketu gives new methodology, new technology, new technique in modern business. So Ketu gives day by day new technique, new methods, and new know-how, how to activate. Now, in this case, the 4th house, in a Gemini sign, Mercury is placed. So Mercury is very strong. Mercury is placed with Sun, that is making Buddhaditya Yoga. This is Raj Yoga, giving so much help in his business, in his talented work, in his creative work. Always this Buddhaditya Yoga is helpful to get money, honor, respect. Now Mercury and Sun from 4th house aspecting the 10th house and activate the 10th house. 10th house is what? 10th house is karma. 10th house is the status of work. So status of work day by day develop. Use of modern technology. He is famous in his space satellite, famous in SpaceX, famous in electrical car. Now what happens in the 11th house? House of Capricorn, Mars is exalted. 11th house of gain, profit. Always highest amount of gain and profit is there. 11th house is very strong. Not only that, in the 11th house, Rahu is posited in the sign of Capricorn. So Rahu gives sudden gain, enormous amount of wealth and money to the native. In this chart, Jupiter is very strongly placed in the Scorpion sign in 9th house, aspecting the 3rd house. 3rd house in the Taurus sign, Venus is posited. Venus is very strong in this chart. Now Venus and Jupiter connected by 7th aspect of each other. That is Venus-Jupiter connection for wealth, for money, for comfort, for luxury. Now Venus is strong, Mercury is very strong, Jupiter also in Scorpion sign, very strong. And the 11th house, the house of fulfillment of desire. The ascendant lord is Jupiter, that is also strong in Scorpion sign, friend's house, and moon is also strong in Leo sign. So birth chart is very strong, and the 3 planets, Mercury, Venus and Jupiter, very strong in the chart of Elon Musk. Now coming to the chart of Bill Gates. Bill Gates, another highest, richest person of the world, one of the best businessmen in the field of computer. His date of birth is 28/10/1955. Time of birth 2058. Place of birth Seattle, USA. This is the birth chart of Bill Gates. Here the Lagna Lord Mercury placed in Virgo sign, own sign. Ascendant Lord is very strong. Mercury is very strong. Mercury is the ascendant Lord. Together with Mars, is placed in the 4th house. Mars is the significator planet of 4th house. Now Mercury and Moon aspecting each other. Also Mars aspect comes on Moon. So there is another kind of yoga. 10th house is activated by the aspect of Mercury, Mars. So Mercury in this chart is very strong. That is the Lagna Lord. Now in the 5th house, the house of talent. Here is the house of Libra sign. Venus is posited here. So Venus is very strong. That means talent, house of Lord of talent is very strong and posited in his own sign. Aspecting the 11th house of gain. That is also Saturn and Sun aspect is coming in 11th house. 3 planet, 7th aspect coming to the 11th house. So huge amount of gain is there. So first one, Mercury is very strong, Venus is very strong. Third one is that Jupiter is placed in the 3rd house, giving his 7th aspect on the house of fortune, the flourishment of luck. Here Jupiter is very strong in the Leo sign, giving so much knowledge, wisdom, know-how to the native. So the 3 planets, Jupiter, Mercury and Venus, very strong in the chart. Not only that, Rahu in the 6th house destroyed the enemy, and all the parameters of the chart are strong. Mercury is strong and other planets also strong. Moon's placement is very strong in Pisces sign. So in this chart of Bill Gates, this is very helpful to make competition in the modern era, the era of digital, in the era of internet. Here the main planets required, that is Mercury, Venus and Jupiter, very strong.